Hello everybody, my name is Derick Vogel. I'm the founder and CEO of Credit Absolute. And today I want to share with you everything about credit. There's 5 areas of credit. I want to share with you from my own personal experiences. I've been in the credit game for over 20 years. I lived in credit prison. I had low 500 credit scores. And I want to share with you the things that I had to overcome, but also give you the facts, because there's a lot of misleading information out there. I have currently an 811 credit score. And I want to share with you the tips and tricks on how to apply these on a day-to-day and a monthly basis so that you can also earn that 800 credit score. It does take time, but I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know to accomplish that goal. Now, first thing to understand about credit is that it's based on 550 points, and most people have no idea what that means. The lowest credit score you can get is 300. The highest credit score you can get is an 850. The difference between that is 550 points. So no, you cannot have a 0 credit score. The lowest is 300, the highest is 850. Now, when we look at the 5 areas of credit, that shows payment history is number 1, it's 35% of the credit score. Credit cards is number 2, it's 30% of the credit score. Age of credit, number 3, 15% of the credit score. Number 4 is proper mix of credit, which is 10%. And the final number 5 is new credit, which is also 10%. Now, what does the percentage mean? Well, 35% of 550 is 192.5 points. So payment history being the number 1 is just sharing with you the point value system. Now that you understand this, in these next 5 videos that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to break down each section so that you can understand how to implement and apply these rules to optimize your credit scores. Please like, comment, and share this information. If you have any questions, please contact me directly or my team. But thank you, and I'm looking forward to catching up with you in these next videos.